Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Guys, today I will share with you how to get T4 from CRA account. So guys, the first step, log into your CRA account with your ID and password, and after that guys, what you have to do, click on the tax information from here, tax slip information slips, and select the tax your access to your T4. If it is not available, wait to check your CRA relief. And if you're to access your T4 it's not available, wait to and check again due to CRA relief measured, and some slips like T4 may be delayed, or you can contact your customer support. From here you have this option, customer chat support, and you can contact customer support chat. This is the first option, and you have this from here, contact all contact option, CRA contact. If I go back guys and click all the contact the CRA, you can contact and you can reach CRA support team to get your T4 tax. So guys, this is the first one, and this step 2, just click this phone tax information, click tax information T4 and more, go to this tax returns from here and select this option, and then select tax information steps and select the years and then print all your tax. This is how you can do, guys. Thanks for watching this video.